Yeah, baby. Gotta fresh straight up. So you know what time it is, bro. Yo, I wasn't gonna do one, but I'm gonna do it. Today's my last day. This is I'm gonna show you guys the Grand Oasis Tulum. It's a pretty nice building. So I'm gonna show you guys. Come with me. It's early in the morning. We have to fly today later. But I'll show you some of the facilities. There's a buffet. It's a pretty big place. It's really nice. Make sure you check my other video on the Winham. Some dude went running over there. Bahamas and other ones. Let's see what we're looking like today. Yeah, that's me. Let's go. It's 1 minute and 4 seconds. Let's run it. Let's see what we get into right now. I'm gonna show you like the main idle pool and some of the pools. Okay, let's go down here. There's a spa over there. Things right here is for your shorty. So it's like 8 a.m. It's 1 minute and 48 seconds. But yeah, that's the wire over there. That one right there. You can just go and order whatever you want. It's all inclusive. So it's pretty neat, you know. Really enjoy this building. I wasn't even here though. Paid for the all-inclusive. There's a spot here. They got a nice spa. Know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is just one section. There's supposed to be a gym all the way there. Still haven't like really checked it out. Like I said, I wasn't even here. But yeah, this is kind of like the main auto pool. Or is it the dude running? And the bar right there. This bar, main auto pool. Let me show you the beachfront still. Beachfront's pretty nice. But yo, if you come to Cancun, bro, you gotta rent a car. Do yourself a favor and rent a car. So yeah guys, hope you like this video. Give it a like. Check the other ones. Let me show you the beachfront. Yeah boy, this is the beachfront. Pretty nice out here still. I was snorkeling all the way there. So there's some nice snorkeling points. We walked all the way down there to the end. So it was a beautiful walk. Let me show you my suite. It's like one of those at the top with the window. The one with the window up there. We're facing right out. Walked over there. They have a really nice place. But yeah, let me continue showing you what else is going on in this building. Let's walk around. Has like fair restaurants. It's like 4 minutes, bro. See how big this place is? 4 minutes. And we just got here. See, this is one of the main restaurants. Who's that? That's me, dog. You feel me? Right there, boom. Anyways, it's one of the main restaurants. Come here, order food. Still never used it. This is their hours. They didn't use it. I don't know why I get all this all inclusive, so now I don't use them. If you rent a car, bro, you'll never in this place. You'll barely make it out here for food. This is another bar, another restaurant. We use this one. This one's Bear Sushi. Bear Sushi. So, you know what I'm saying? See? In the daytime, this is like another bar. You can get smashed here. And, yeah, I used to post. Let me show you this area. See, some of the rooms out here are nice. But, yeah, guys, it's been 6 minutes we're walking this hotel. Red flag, because the sea been choppy the whole time, so it's a red flag. So that means, anyways, this pool is nice. Enjoy this pool still. Got smashed out here. Enjoyed it. Boom. Real nice pool. I definitely will come back to this property. You know, Grand Oasis. It's the pool rolls. Who listens to the pool rolls? Oh, you freaking dirtbags probably pee in the pool too. Don't pee in the pool, you dirtbag. But yo, let me show you. It's pretty much the end of the building, so let me show you the little chilling spots out here. Man, see? The main beach out here. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. You see me, guys? Yeah, bro. I'll be doing this shit for YouTube, you know? So basically, I travel a lot, you know? And I just decided to just pick up the GoPro and record it now, you know? So I'm always at different buildings, different places, this and that and the third. Make sure you check me out on IG. You know, it's somewhere out there in the description. But make sure you check it out. Anyway, so we're gonna double back to the restaurants. But yeah, like I was saying, I just travel a lot, so I say, yo, you know what? Let me record this shit. Grab a GoPro, boom. We outside. Look at the kids. Early in the morning, the kids right there having fun. Shit, living, bro. This is how we should all live forever. Let me show you the buffet now. I ate there a lot. Let me show you the buffet. Shit, we're back here. 8 minutes, bro. 8 minutes and we're not even close.
I know.
Everybody at the buffet looking at me like, yo, that guy has a radar talking to the GoPro. But yeah, this buffet right here, Ave Seafest, is good. I'm going there after this video actually. It's La Cantina. This is like a bar kind of joint. I don't even know if they have food in there. Again, didn't use it. Holy cow, this place. 9 minutes. Guys, this is probably gonna go to length. But let's see what you guys, you know, what you guys wanna see out here. See what we get into. That's the front over there. I wanna keep walking. It's one of the stores, the boutiques. The shop is fun. You know, 10 minutes, bro. Holy, we've been chilling for 10 minutes. They had a lot of mirrors, so it was proper, you know. Fit check. Boom. outside, boom. Yeah. Oh yeah, this coffee shop, I love it. I wonder if it's open. Oh yeah, I forgot. Again, another restaurant. We came here. They didn't use it. They said we weren't really dressed up. This is like the back part of the building. I know the big two pools. Let me show you these pools, bro. These are nice, actually. This is more like, I don't even know that the party people, I think, side of it. Oh, I hope this music don't ruin my shit. Let me talk quick over it. They're gonna ruin my video. But yeah, that's one of the pools. Let's go far away from that music. Then YouTube like don't let you monetize it, take you down, copyright bullshit. But anyways, we're gonna do this area quick because there's a big bar over here by the main pool. This is where I guess a lot of people hang out. Again, I was here for 5 days. I didn't use this pool. And it's the kid area. So yeah, like I was saying, if you come to Cancun, bro, just grab a car. Because if you grab a car, you're mobile. Boom. You get outside. You go, actually, I'll show you guys the car later. Watch that video on my freaking channel. I'll make a video of the car. But yeah, you get outside, you can go anywhere. You know? Guys working early morning shift. But yeah, if you get a car, boom. You can go up and down. You can get everywhere you want to go. You know what I'm saying? That's why I haven't been in here for too much, because I get bored. I just jump on a whip. Boom, Playa del Carmen. Boom, Tulum. Boom, Cancun. Boom, here and there. Whatever I want to go. Shopping. Boom. You know? Hola, buenos días. Let's go get a coffee. ¿Me regalas un cappuccino?
Con gusto, señor. ¿Va a ser para aquí o señor?
Para llevar y una donita. Gracias.